Okay guys, I'm gonna make the longest skateboard truck of all time. Even Fabian hasn't made a truck this long. Have you ever seen a truck this long?
What?
Can we fix this?
No, I tried.
Yeah, but you also set up that last board too.
Dude, like seriously, when you pick on me, it's not funny. Like nobody thinks it's funny in the videos. I tried like an hour to fix it.
You just fixed it.
I did.
How sick is that?
Why?
How sick is that? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this one on and this one on and play an epic game of skate.
Why don't we just get 2 of these?
We don't have 2 of these, otherwise I would be down.
Chocolate!
Dude, open the chocolate.
Lance, will you be my Valentine? Do it.
Oh, hang on. This is the cheat codes.
Yes.
How are you gonna cheat
Right
and just
here.
look at the answers?
Buttercream caramel.
Why are you filming this, dude?
Okay, hang on.
It's lit over there.
Game! We got chocolate!
Good.
I can't get through this.
I got it.
Basically, we're eating pizza and chocolate today. Okay, we're almost there. Look at this contraption. Look at this. Widest truck, tiniest truck. Like, would you skate this at home? Like, dude, you'd have to be crazy to skate this. Okay, let's do it. Go play a game of skate. Come on, let's go. Game of skate. Game of skate. Come on. Who's gonna go last? Rochambeau.
First.
You're gonna play?
Oh, they know you're out.
Out.
Oh, sweeper.
Your last try.
Wait, was that a...
You think all the pizza and chocolate's helping?
Yeah, definitely.
That was too much pizza too fast.
Are you going into a coma?
I think so.
Did you have chocolate?
Oh, not yet.
You know, I had to think about it for a second.
He came to play and nothing else. What's so funny? Did you cheat?
No, there's no cheating in skateboarding. It's 100% real.
Yeah. What do you think of this contraption?
I'm afraid to flip it.
This thing is dumb. I think I know the strategy here. You gotta go front truck forward.
I think you got it. Fetty makes it look good. Do a tray flip, tray double.
Do a real trick. That's unfair.
This could be a flawless game.
What's over there?
Oh, look!
Oh, God.
Fetty has so far had a flawless game. He hasn't missed a trick.
I'm just a hater.
It's like the Millie Whip.
Yeah! Do a real trick for one. That's right.
I'm gonna politely take a letter and sit down. I'm out.
Just try it, bro. Sorry. This is my last letter, so I get one more.
How did you do that, Daniel? Who's in? You and Fetty. Fetty and Fetty. Wait, which one's Fetty?
I think it's the one right there with the.
Whoa.
I tried to do a big spin.
Wait, which one's Fetty? This is gonna go on forever. Fetty versus Fetty. Oh! Do not mess with Fetty! Great effort.
Almost like a primo, but you can't land primo.
Taco Supremo? Yeah! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
When in doubt, escape. Truck hit. That's way harder.
Now what? That's a good question. Should we try some grinds?
Now you just take it down the full park.
The front truck locked in and the back truck didn't.
Oh my god, could it be did?
Please let me show you.
The truck broke. Don't tell
Oh no, which one?
the front one.
Oh, that's what.
Damn, you won't. Damn, chill. That was sick. Let's get it! Do the other side? Other side?
I had a pop out of hard.
Which side's harder? Small truck or big truck?
Big truck.
Yes! Oh, wow!
They hit probably a sick ass Willie.
Hit that Willie. Yes! Yes! How good does that feel?
Feels weird.
Come on, down the hubba, down the hubba, down the hubba.
How about if I make it, you have to do it down the hubba?
Deal.
Damn it! This kid knows how to get it. It's actually pretty sick. Damn! Oh!
Did you get that?
I did. No way. No way. You won't. You won't. Oh, you
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.